So, hi, Sayantan. Thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. Firstly, congrats on your admits into ESCP and Blerick. We are glad that you were able to bag your admits in the very first two applications you did with us. So, let's start off with a small introduction about yourself.
Thank you, Vanessa. So basically, it's right. I got admits into Blerick and ESCP. And maybe a small introduction would be this, like I have a background in mechanical engineering, which I'm currently studying in Slovakia. And so I came in EU 3 years ahead, and I wanted to get into the top universities for business further. And obviously MIMSA was my choice because, you know, it's the best, whether it's in Europe, like I'm already in Europe, but even comparing with the consultancies over here, definitely MIMSA is the best. So that's why I was like, okay, I want to get into the top schools. I have been connected to some organizations like Erasmus Students Network and all in meanwhile. That's pretty much me.
Okay, all right, great. So as next question, I would like to ask you, how was your experience with MIMSA?
I would say it was definitely great, and it was worth because it was the best decision, I would say, because I think when I was in the first year of finishing my first year of bachelor's, I first contacted Abhyank to review my profile, and he told me these are the things you require, and really you guys are so encouraging. That's something appreciable. So I started working on those things because he was like, get an internship, get these type of extracurriculars and all. So I started working, making my profile accordingly. And then after 2 years, I was back to him and I was like, I'm with my profile. Okay, so let's get it short. So this is quite amazing. I had a big demerit in my profile because I didn't have any big brand name. Though I had several internships and startup experiences, but no as such big brand name. And I was like, sad and calling intro call with Abhyank, and I was like, this is my scenario, but I want to get into the top business schools. So I was like, don't worry, we will make a beautiful sketch out of the things you already have. And that was like really amazing. You guys did it like really well.
Okay, that's great. So what is it that you best liked about our services?
I would say how good organized you guys are. I mean, like with Rhythm, while I was working, she herself is like, because Rhythm was my consultant, so she herself is a graduate from ESSEC, and like literally anything in and out I need for any university related to MIM courses, like really you guys have all information and all guidelines, whether it's scholarship, whether it's visa processing, whether it's which school selection. When we go when we get into MIM essays packages, and when we go to the CRM website, we have all the information particularly chalked out over there. Okay, this is for, let's say, scholarships, this is for interview. Even while I was preparing for interview, the amazing part was like I didn't have to chalk out what answers am I going to give, because Rhythm just told me go and check out the interview section. I saw I think 10-15 videos over there, and it was like enough, because everything they pointed out, this is how you, this is if you have a demerit, then you have to show it in this way, this is how you show your strengths. Like really amazing. So whatever strength like I had, or let's say even weakness I had, it had a way of portrayal towards the university. That's what MIMSA did the best.
All right, that's lovely, right? And how do you think we added most value to your application in general?
I would say definitely lack of, let's say, full-time work experience or as such big brand name. So which was absent. Also my test scores, because I didn't give GRE personally, so that was a big demerit. When I started the application, I told MIMSA that I'm going to give GRE and this is going to be my scores, or like expected scores or something. We chalked out the universities based on it, but later on I discovered I don't want to give GRE. I wanted to do another internship. So it was really amazing that MIMSA, like, it wasn't like, oh, you just already chose, we already work for these schools. So it wasn't like that. It was pretty, because they were guiding that, okay, if you don't want to give GRE, okay, these are the schools you can apply for, and this is how you pursue. And I was actually very confused with, because I also had some financial financial considerations that I had to make, these type of things. But MIMSA literally, especially Rhythm, like she guided me so well that these are the places you can apply. This is how will be your expenditure and all. So it was really good. Because the thing is that when I was applying and looking at the schools after I didn't give GRE, that time it's very confusing, because I didn't know much options which were available without GRE, and also the profile I had. So, but the good part was like Rhythm personally for all these universities available, all the courses, because I even received an ESCP, which actually requires GRE. So this was like, it was only these are the courses. Don't go only for MIM, but look also for general management, international business, or MSCs and all. So then you can get a better shot into those universities. So that's what I would say.
All right, that's lovely. I believe you've also gotten a scholarship.
Yes. And Blerick, I got like 40% scholarship. Yeah, because there is something like on Blerick Spirit Entrepreneurship Scholarship, something like that. So even that also was pretty amazing, because for that Rohit did all the editing and everything for my like scholarship essay. And even when the interview came and he was like, why do you want a scholarship, like how important is it to you? And I already knew the answer before, like okay, these are the reasons why I need it. And because they very nicely told me that you don't have to show that you are very financially constrained, or let's say that you need it badly, otherwise you can't study. Rather keep it natural, but keep it in a way that is strategically explaining the cause. So it was pretty good, that's why.
All right, that's lovely. Lastly, what is the kind of suggestion you'd like to give those who are very skeptical about taking up our services?
I would say definitely, if you're planning like from India or from any country basically to study in Europe, MIM, because I am experienced in Europe, studying in Europe or going for further education in Europe, so I can't put other countries. But in Europe, if you're planning, MIM SA is definitely the consultancy you should go. Because one thing I really appreciate is this thing, that you come, like we as students, we come with like a lot of random data. Okay, we have an internship over here, we have a extracurricular like this, we have this thing or that thing. It's not organized. So anyone, even my batchmates or my juniors or my seniors, I have suggested everyone personally to go with MIMSA, because the entire thing can be specifically put in an order and plan that how to apply. Because literally your success ratio is way high, like to the top rank.
Undoubtedly.
We always keep on imagining, I need to get top GRE scores or GMAT scores and top P and everything. But maybe it is not so. You guys know the way out of it, and you know how to plan our profile in order to get into these schools with our own budget. Like that's the best part. So that is what I would say. Like if you're planning to, like as a student, if you're planning to go further for MIM or career change or something, then definitely look into your profile and speak to one of the consultants from MIMSA. Definitely they will guide you way better towards it.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much for such lovely comments about our services, Sayantan. And we're glad that we could put that smile on your face. And good luck for your future endeavors. And congratulations once again for the admits you've bagged.
Thank you so much.